Hi everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of block the account. On Pixiv, you will click on settings. You will click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will click on Pixiv app and you will enter here. You will click on first stop and you will click OK. You will go here to storage. You will click on clear cache. Then you will turn off your Wi-Fi and you will turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So that's it. You will go to Play Store. You will search for Pixiv app. And you will update your app if you find update here. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.